So I got a GFCI plug with no power. There's the other one over there. I got no power, Scotty. I got no power. But there's no reset button. So what am I supposed to do? Well, okay. Plug in a device and see if we've got juice. Okay, nothing. Let's go check the other bathroom. We have a light. Is it tripped? Well, I'm not sure. I'm not too familiar with this particular style, but let's check it out. Okay, the light went out. Let's go back and try the other bathroom. Back in the master bath again. Let's try it now. So the master bathroom has no reset in here. It's in the guest bathroom, or I guess I could say the kids' bathroom, but not in here. So if you happen to have GFCIs, whatever, and there's no reset in the room that you're in, here or here. I even took this plate off. You know, what do I know? I didn't know if maybe there was something underneath, but I didn't believe there was. I took it off. There's nothing there. I'm not an electrician, but I just know that one of the plugs is the master GFCI plug, and it was in the other bathroom. So check your other bathrooms and see if one of them is lit up, and just reset that button, and that should get you fixed up. Okay, thanks for watching.